On 15th January every year, Indian Army celebrates Army Day. On 15 Jan 1948, the first Lieutenant General K.M. Cariappa became the first Indian Commander-in-Chief, and this is the 70th Army Day we will be celebrating on 15th of January. To commemorate the celebration of Army Day, Run for Unity, that is Rashtriya Ekta, and Run for Jawan is being organized by Military Station, Goa, All Goa Ex-Servicemen Welfare Association. It is powered by the Rotary Club of Parvarim and Event Basket. The aim of the run to raise the fund, which will be utilized for supporting the welfare of ex-servicemen, Veer Naris, and the widows. We also take the fund towards the needy school children for rural places and different programs to encourage Goan youth for career in defense, as well as the old age home for the veterans is in the pipeline. Moreover, this run is basically organized also to reach out to the civilian counterpart and various school, college students to motivate them to join the armed forces. The run also generates harmony among the defense personnel and civilian, thus enhancing the defense-civilian cooperation. The rally will be flagged off by the local station commandant, Brigadier A.K. Sharma, at Sports Authority of India, Sport Authority of Goa, Bambolim Stadium at 0700 hours on 7th of January. The route will be, there will be two races basically, that is 10 kilometers and 5 kilometers.